Hey people, have you ever heard of the blockchain? If not, here is a good chance to know about it. As a definition, blockchain is a distributed, decentralized public ledger. Oh my god, what a big definition! Keep aside such definitions. In simple, blockchain is just a chain of blocks where block refers to the digital information stored in a public database, which is a chain. It is a means of keeping a record of transactions. Blockchain was invented in the year 1991 by a group of researchers and was actually intended to timestamp digital documents so that they cannot be backdated or blocked. However, it went by mostly unused until it was adapted by Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008 to create digital currency or cryptocurrency, which is called Bitcoin nowadays. One of the biggest and the first applications of blockchain technology. Now let's see an example. Suppose here there are two people, a sender, a receiver. Let they be in a blockchain. The sender wrote a letter and posted it. Now, at the post office, the letter is given a special code and the same code is given to the sender. This letter must be achieved by any of the postmen present there. Let's assume there are 10 postmen. So, to win this letter, the postman must solve a complex mathematical problem. Okay, now let's assume that one of the postmen achieved the letter. He notes the details of the letter in a register, and the copies of this register are provided to all the postmen. Now, the winner postman's work is to verify the letter and the code and deliver it to the receiver's address. Okay, till now, what did you understand? This is a blockchain of two people or members or nodes or maybe, and a third person postman is the link between them to deliver the letter, just like the money transfer in a Bitcoin. In a consensus algorithm, that is a general agreement, the members can verify and take the decisions. That means, in this example, the sender can actually verify the postman who is delivering his letter with his special code. This mechanism is called P2P or peer to peer mechanism. Now, the senders and the postman's verifications are done. So, the postman delivers it to the respective receiver's address, where again a verification takes place to check if the senders and the receiver's codes are matching or not. The codes in this example can be compared to the hash value of each block in a blockchain. What are these hash values? These hash values are basically calculated by computer using complex mathematical problems. These are generally a combination of characters and numbers. These are very large to decode. Now, let's see if we can manipulate the letter in any manner. First, suppose we try to change anything in the original letter. This change in letter produces a change in the special code given. What happens if a special code changes? Nothing but still the postman delivers the letter to the correct receiver. But how did it take place? Because the original code copies have been with all the postmen along with the sender and they acknowledged their code as the original. In the same manner, changes in a block cannot take place as if anyone tries to change in one block. Automatically, the next block which has the hash of itself and the previous block changes, and the complete chain becomes a mess. Hence, it is impossible to hack the data in a blockchain. In our example, is there any other person before the sender? No, he was the first person to start a chain or a transaction. In a blockchain, such initial blocks are called Genesis blocks. In the above example, as verified members, now the blockchain was completely between sender, postman, and receiver, as everyone had a copy of the letter and the code. In the similar manner, in a blockchain, all the members who are inside the chain have a copy of each and every transactions. This is something completely basic about the blockchain technology. Before you know more deep about it, in the next video, you will learn something about the blockchain applications such as smart contracts, e-notary, medical records, voting, etc. and also few pros and cons on blockchain technology. Thank you.